Do you feel selfish when you take time for you? Do you feel exhausted with too much to do or too many people to please? Do you have a hard time saying no to others and yes to yourself? Do you have a hard time sticking with things that you know are good for you? If in 3 months you could have less stress and more ease and a solid self-care practice, would it be worth it to you? I'm Lisa Venable, and for the last 20 years I've guided many, many women who want to be more self-loving and accepting in a powerful process of self-healing. Because changing self-defeating patterns takes commitment and time, I've developed a step-by-step structured program where you will rewrite the inner story that keeps you stuck in the same old patterns that have never served you. You will create a new way of relating to yourself and the other people in your life by being who you really are and not who you think you should be. Here's how it works. You'll get 3 private sessions with me to rewrite that inner story that's kept you stuck in the same old patterns. I've had women tell me they've been to years of therapy, and in just one session, they finally had a major breakthrough. Secondly, you'll get 6 monthly group sessions with other women who are also on the self-care path. And you'll have a practice partner with one of them so that over the month you'll have someone to be accountable with to keep a track of your goals and keep you on course. You'll encourage and support each other. You'll also get my 6 steps to self-care guided action plan along with a personalized meditation CD that we'll make together that will help you continue to stay in this place that you want to be. Now here's the benefits of this program. You're going to learn how to be more loving and caring for yourself. You're going to learn how to listen to your heart and follow it. You're going to stop shooting yourself and feel less guilty about things. You're going to increase your ability to say no without feeling like you're rejecting people. And you're going to be able to communicate your needs with others and get better cooperation and results. Now, participants say as a result of the self-care program, they take more time for themselves, they've learned to be lighter and be free to be who they are and ask for what they want. They are more solid with their wellness programs, they feel less exhausted and more energized, they feel more empowered and way less critical of themselves. I so want this for you as well. So if this piques your interest at all, I really invite you to consider the benefits. What is it costing you to not take better care of yourself? I offer a free phone consult where we can talk about your needs. I can give you some tips and maybe some other resources that might help you. But we can also see if this program would be a fit for you at this time. So I invite you to consider it. Give me a call. My information is on the screen. If it's not there, I'm at lisa@lisavenable.com. My number is 612-250-7859. There's an old Chinese proverb that I love. It says, tension is who you think you should be. Relaxation is who you are. So sit back and relax. Join this program and you will find a whole new way of being in your life.